I'm in the mood for love on a warm Iranian night. I'm in the mood for love, all you idiots out there. Hello, it's the boss. How are you? Well, today I will tell you. You, you know, I fired an employee yesterday. I get rid of him. I said, get out of here. I hate you. Well, today I refused to pay him his money. I told him, I said, you owe me money. I do not owe you money. It's very funny. But, then this other guy, a former business partner, a very two-faced man named Herb. Well, anyways, what I am saying is, he wrote me a very bad email, or not the email, it was a text message on his phone to my phone, and he has wrote very nasty letters, said to better pay Tony. Anyways, I gave the idiot his money and he sent him on his way. Oh, it's very, very funny. Oh, anyways. Don't you know that you are a idiot? Okay, bye-bye.